Okay, good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Maria Rowena P. Taladro, 29 years old, college level. I have two kids, both boys. They are 10 years old and 6 years old. I live in Philippines.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your kids?
My mom will take care of my kids.
Okay, can you tell me about your working experience before?
I have work experience in Singapore. I take care of three kids, 2 years old, 3 years old, and 4 years old. I'm doing some cleaning also, gardening, car washing. And I have experience in Hong Kong also, 3 years. I take care of one kid and one dog. I'm doing some cleaning, ironing, laundry, and car washing.
Okay, are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes,
Okay, if the children are very naughty, what will you do?
I need to understand the kid and have a long patience.
Okay, and why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my kids' needs and to help my family.
Okay, and if the baby is sick, what will you do?
I need to check the baby, especially the temperature, and I need to inform my employer.
Okay, are you afraid of dog or cats?
No,
Okay, and do you have a food allergy?
no, I don't have.
Okay, and what kind of food can you cook?
I can cook Filipino dishes and simple Chinese dishes and Western.
Okay. Can you accept no day off but paid by your employer?
Yes.
Okay. And are you willing to take care of elder person and assist them with all their needs?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, and lastly, what is your message to your employer?
Good day, sir and mom. Please hire me because I'm hardworking, patient, trustworthy, and kind person, and I'm willing to learn some new things from you. And I promise you that I'll finish the 2 years contract and might continue as long as you needed me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you and hope we see you soon in abroad.